Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Farsal Majadid. In this video, I want to clarification about my assignment. That is the assignment OSPF, the weekly assignment. So in the video, I just realized that the video doesn't record the sound. So the sound is nothing, and I just realized when I wanna edit in the CapCut. So I'm sorry for that. Maybe because I did the assignment in the middle of the night, and when I do the assignment, I so very don't focus. I not focus because I not sleep yet, or I have sleep but just 1 hour or less. So because of that, I don't look properly to the OBS. Is it record my sound or not? So for that, I ask the apologies to you all. Maybe for the video, I will dub the video. So I will dubbing the video, and I will explain what I do in that video. So that's for me. Thanks for the attention. Enjoy my tutorial video. Alright guys, so this is the assignment. Weekly. That is the configuration OSPF with router Cisco and router MikroTik. So that is the topology. And now I'm config the router one first. So at the upper is router MikroTik. There is the router 3, and the second one is router 2. There is a router Cisco, and above is router Cisco 2 as router 1. So now I will config the router 1 first. See you in the next video. Alright, so this is the topology, and this is the Winbox, and this to the router 1. And now we will config the Winbox. That's the router 3. Okay guys, in this part, I will route the router 2 first. It's look where I know that's the router 2, because the router 2, that's the router maybe has a problem. So the problem, there is a message, and the router spamming the message. So firstly, in this part, I did the IP interface, uh, and the IP interface that I make uh, have a two IP interface. One that's to the router one, and second that's the interface going to the MikroTik. For the first IP interface, the IP address is uh, 192.168.12 and 2. Because why 2? Because we are at the router 2, and the interface is gigabyte 000. And for the IP address that going to the Winbox, the IP address is 192.168 23 and 2. And for the prefix, of course, the this IP address is 24. Nah, in this part, uh, I'm deleting the configuration. So because this router uh, has used by my friend, and this is my cue to using this router. This part, I configuration uh, I configuration the IP address for G00, that the interface going to the router 1. Maybe you confused why I spamming the tab, because the router there is a problem, so the router spamming the message uh, for mengakali this problem. While we configuring, we click the tab. Okay, this part I configuring the IP address for interface G01, that the interface going to the Winbox, um, MikroTik, I mean. And this part I configuring the loopback interface, and after I configuring this all interface, I will configuring the OSPF for this router. That's the router 2. So for the OSPF, we will configuring the router ID, and then we will configuring the network. Uh, we configuring the network that the network IP that going to the router 1 and router 3, and we configuring the network loopback. This part is OSPF configuration. uh, like I said before, we will configuring the router ID, network, network interface, network loopback, and that's done. But if you not focus on the configuration, there is uh, the problem will will come to you. So you, while configuring, you must very focus, and you look all of the configuration. So this part we done the configuring router 2. For the next configuration, I will configuring the router 1. Okay guys, in this part I erased the configuration before. And look at the OBS. I just opened the OBS for checking the recording, but I I'm not look to the voice of the mic. What the stupid. After erase the configuration, I reload the router. So this part is taking a lot of time. Okay, we finish the erase the router, and now I am I configure like casual too. I configure the interface of G00, and after that I configure interface loopback 0. After that I configuring I configure the OSPF. In this part I start configure the OSPF. First we make the router ID, and after that we advertising the network, and maybe uh, it will it will has a problem because I I was wrong when I put uh, the advertise, and it will it will be trouble, and the OSPF is the success. And after that I I troubleshooting, and I success do the OSPF. Nah, in this part I check the root OSPF, and the route to the router 2 is doesn't appear. So in this time I very dizzy. What the what the problem, and uh, after this I will check the trouble. Maybe before checking the trouble, uh, I will configuring the MikroTik. Ah, look this part. I I test to ping to the router 2, and not success because there is a problem in OSPF that I don't realize. Nah, in this part I try to check at the router 2. Nah, doesn't have a route to the router 1 2. So this is the problem in the OSPF. Or I just realized there is a problem too in the IP address of router 2. And now maybe it will troubleshooting part. Oh, after this I will configuring the MikroTik router. So in this part I pause the recording and for troubleshooting the problem. So I found the trouble because when I configuring the advertise in the SPF, I was wrong put the network address. Before I put 1110, and now uh, the right is 1111. And after this I change the all of advertise of network loopback, and look at the ping. I success to ping to the router 2. Okay, in this part I start configuring the router 3, that the MikroTik router with Winbox. Firstly I delete the configuration before. uh, and I make the IP address of interface ether 1, and I make the loopback. I make it uh, with the bridge. After I make the loopback, I make the IP address of loopback. And this part I start configuring the OSPF, and configuring OSPF in the MikroTik is different than configuring in the router. So I don't understand what uh, this configuring using is used for, and I just follow the tutorial of the YouTube. And after I configuring this part, uh, the OSPF is failed to connect to the router too. And the problem is in the router too. I check the neighbor is don't appear, and after this I troubleshooting at the router too. So this video I using my friend laptop because I chase the time, look at the time, that's 3 to 13 to half, and the subuh time is close. Because of that I use my friend laptop, and my laptop is still connect to the MikroTik. And now we will fix the configuration. I will go to the OSPF and then network. Okay, we will test ping. Ika, kok gua bisa lagi? Gagal lagi anjing. Siapa nih? Astaga. Gimana cek neighbor tadi? Show. Kok gagal lagi nih?
lihat nih. SPF 1 terus network 92 8 3.0.
In this part
Areanya no.
I still not realize the problem is not the first problem is not in the OSPF but in the IP address, and then I configuring the IP address and IP address is wrong too. After that I configuring the OSPF and success. The problem in the IP address is in the interface, so I was wrong to put the interface of IP address. Because of that, maybe the router 2 cannot connect.
So guys, I found the problem. There is problem in the IP address.
Nah guys, this part I was fault too. I was wrong too. Actually, the IP address of 192.168 and 23 is going to the router 3, and that it using the ether, the interface G01, not G00. And at that moment I still doesn't realize, and now I'm thinking what a stupid I was.
Loh, kok belum terubah? Cek. Iya kan? Terus interface. Nah, address. Kita ubah terus ini. 3.1.
Jadi nol kan? Iya, 25. Apps apa lah itu ya,
Astaga, salah lagi cuk. Yang nol kan ke ini. Yang nol kan 12 cuk.
Nah, in this moment I just realized the first problem is
Ya kan?
on the
Yang
interface.
nol ke router.
Dua-duanya kan G0, G6 cuk.
Berarti yang G1 Alhamdulillah. Okay guys, we test. Okay, sukses. Astaga. Muncul masalah baru.
Apalagi
Oke, ini malah nggak bisa. Astaga.
emang harus apa ya? Emang harus tenang gitu kan sih biar fokus.
Oke, sukses. So guys, I will show the IP address neighbor. Okay, we success. Maybe I will move to the MikroTik. Thanks for watching.
Nah, in this part, we success to connect the OSPF, and in the MikroTik is success too.